Have a lovely morning to all my dear students. Today we need to start lesson 4 from the first flight book. Name of the lesson is From the Diary of Anne Frank. Before starting it, there is an intro given. We will read it first to know about this lesson better. Annalise Mary. This is the full name of Anne Frank. 12 June 1929 is her birth date and March 1945 is her death date. She was a German born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in the World War II. This story is based upon the description written by Anne Frank in her diary. At the World War II, she was a Jewish girl at the time of Nazis attack. Those people, along with Annie, kept hidden themselves for being at the safer side. So at that time, Annie had written few experiences whatever she had faced along with other Jewish people at the time of the Second World War. Next, it is written over here. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands as persecution against the Jewish population increased. The family went into hiding in July 1942. Students, this date you will write that family was just hiding themselves in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father's Otto Frank's office. Otto Frank is the father of Anne Frank. So the family was kept hidden in the office of Otto Frank at that time. Concentration camp system where Annie died of typhoid in Bergen-Belsen within a days of her sister Margot Frank. Children, underline this. Margot Frank was the younger sister of Anne Frank. Her father was Otto Frank, the only survivor of the group. Meant to say, from the hidden people, only the father was left. Returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find her diary had been saved. Meant to say, after that World War, Otto Frank had come back to the place to find the diary of Anne Frank, convinced that it was a good and unique record, which was the first hand record written by Anne Frank. So at that time, Otto Frank took an action to have it published in English under the name of The Diary of a Young Girl. His father thought to publish that first hand experience. Okay, so he just gave the name of the book or the Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the event of her life up from 12 June 1942. Meant to say, here it is written, when the Anne Frank was 13 years old, at that time a diary was gifted by her father. The final entry in the diary, meant to say last entry in the diary, was 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and become one of the world's most widely read books. Meant to say, when Annie's first hand experience was published in Dutch language, after that it got published in many other languages, so it became the one of the most read books in the world. There have also been several films, televisions and theatrical production and even an opera based on the diary, described as the work of mature and insightful mind. The way, meant to say, Anne Frank had described in such a way, it was quite impressive and it was not a copied content. That's why that diary got famous. So let's start our lesson from this page. Diary. When, meant to say, it was already told to you people that Anne Frank got that diary as a gift on her 13th birthday from her father. So when she started writing diary, first of all she got confused. So the same thing she had written over here, writing in a diary is really a strange experience for someone like me. Who's me over here, children? That is Annie. Anne Frank is the narrator of this lesson also. So she said that it is such a strange experience for me to write a diary, not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Here, Annie Frank is saying that I'm not saying that diary writing is a strange thing because I have not written anything before. She said that maybe if in future anybody will write my diary, so he will get amused or few people can take it in a funny way about the way of writing of only 13-year-old girl. So that was making her a bit hesitated in writing diary. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing and I have even greater need to get all kind of thing off my chest. Here, Annie Frank is saying that I just wanted to write everything whatever is in my heart. I would copy down in my diary. Then she had written over here, children, you will underline this line, paper has more patience than people. So I'm going to clear this to you because whenever you will have this kind of question, you can answer. Firstly, you will say, yes, I am totally agree with the statement that paper has more patience than people. I thought of saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless. Here Annie is saying that one day when she was getting bored in the evening and she was not having anything in his mind, meant to say any idea which she would write in the diary, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed wherein I was. Brooding, yes, paper does have more patience, meant to say. This instance has taken from a daily routine of Anne Frank. One evening, she was getting bored. She was not having any task to do, or she couldn't decide whether to stay in the house or to go house. So at that time, one thought just had arrived in her mind that yes, paper has more patience than people. The reason she is giving over here meant to say, suppose you people are, if you want to write anything on the paper, paper will not say anything to you, or paper will not use harsh language to you. On the other hand side, can we say anything to the people? If we ask anything or say anything to the people, they start scolding us. Sometimes they show their reaction. So paper doesn't show its reaction. That's why Annie is telling over here that paper has more patience than people. I hope this point is clear to you. When she was thinking a true friend with whom she could share her any feel. Okay, so that's why Annie is written over here that nobody would believe if she would call that 13-year-old is alone in this whole world, because on the name of family friend she was having almost people which usually be in the family. Then it is written over here, all I think about when I am with my friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. Here she is telling over here, with my friend I used to spend good time. I can talk generally with them but not everything. Okay, there was a fear in her heart, maybe her friends would laugh on her, so that's why she never shared any deep feeling with her friends. We don't seem to be able to get closer, and that's the problem. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide with each other in any case. That's just how things are, and unfortunately they are not liable to change. So here she is feeling that she couldn't discuss her deep feeling with her friends as well as with her family. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. See children, here she has told over here long awaited friend. So she was telling this to her diary. Now she has admitted that her diary was her true friend. I don't want to jot down. Jot meant to say write down the facts in the story the way most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend. I'm going to call this friend Kitty. See children, this is the name she has given to her diary, Kitty. So students, today we will do only this much. On the next class we will continue. Thank you.